Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. On this video, I will be presenting on developing a project schedule. It is a fundamental component of project management that ensures that structured planning, effective control, and successful delivery of project. Let's understand what is project schedule. Project schedule is a detailed timeline that outlines the project activities. It defines the sequence in which the tasks must be performed, their duration, and their dependency between them. It serves as a core tool for both planning and controlling project execution. Let us understand the importance of it. It plays a critical role in ensuring timely delivery of project. It helps to identify the risks and delay. If any activities get delay in the project schedule, it will impact the project completion date. So it helps us to find out the delay in the project. If we are using the NC contract, then we need to provide early warning on from any side as per the clause 15. It provides this support to the resource and cost planning, so we can forecast according to the financial activities what activities we are doing in the next year and what resources are required to do that work. To develop a schedule, first we need to understand the scope of the project. We need to get understanding what are our project objectives, what we are going to deliver for the project, and after we understand the scope, we can develop the project into manageable form, into WBS level. Second, we need to identify the activities of the project. After we develop the project into WBS level, we need to find the activities that are under each WBS or each work package level, so that no scope is mixed or creep in the project. Third one is sequencing of activities. We need to define the dependency in the project, whether we can start together or we can start after finish of one activity. We need to identify the logic and relations between them and create a network diagram for it. For example, after the finish of the foundation, we can do the first ground floor level. After first floor level, second floor level will come. So we need to develop the work package and link the work package according to it. Another is we need to estimate the duration of the project. We need to have a realistic duration for the project. There is different approach where we can use to find the duration of projects. Some may be the historical data of the project or expert judgment, and the experience of the team member can be used to determine the duration of the activity. And we also need to consider the risks and constant in the project. There may be some constant in the project which we need to consider during the development of project schedule. And for the risks, we use the risk register and the contingency amount or risk amount for the project. It depends upon the project what we are going to use on it. After we have all the information, we develop the schedule in the planning software, whether we can use the P6 or we can use MS Project for it. We input the activities on it, develop the WBS level and logically link the activities. We run the schedule calculation and generate the critical path of the project. We identify the critical path of the project is the longest path in the schedule, having the total flow 0. If any delay on the activities on the critical path, it will impact the completion date of the project. So the critical path is focused for the project control and project planner and make track of it so that it does not impact your project completion date. Another is the resource and cost loading. After we get the activities in the project, we assign the resource to the activities. What resource do we need? What costs do we need to complete it? And we develop a cost plan for it. And also make sure that the resource is not over allocated in the project. If the resource is more allocated in the project, then we do the resource leveling or increase the number of resources in the project accordingly. Baseline the schedule. After we get all the information from the teams and the project management, then we baseline the project. That means we freeze the approved schedule. If we are using the NC contract, then as per the clause 31, the contractor need to send the baseline project and it is used as the performance benchmark. We track the actual project plan according to the baseline schedule, whether we are doing as per the plan or we are going away from the project. Next one is monitor and we regularly update the progress review of the project. So if we are reporting monthly, the duration of activities should be within the month so that it will be easy to report the progress. If there is any delay in the program, then we identify them and provide the mitigation measure for it, and also provide the corrective action for it. For example, if there is any delay in the critical activities, then we provide the corrective action or increase the duration or resource in the activities below it so that we can bring the project on track. A common mistake to avoid while developing the schedule is missing logic link will not provide the critical path in the program. Unrealistic duration, the duration with which the team cannot complete the activities, then we should not provide the unrealistic duration. And another is no baseline control on it. Thanks for watching this video. It's such introduction information about the project schedule. For more information like this, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this one.